I am Bhavik, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. This video discusses about AWT package, that is Abstract Window Toolkit package. In Java, enable programmers to create graphical user interface applications. It contains a number of classes that help to implement common Windows-based tasks such as manipulating windows, adding scroll bars, buttons, list items, text boxes, etc. All the classes are contained in the java.awt package. All these classes are hierarchically arranged in the AWT package in such manner that each successive level in the hierarchy adds certain attributes to the GUI application. This is the fundamental windows of AWT. Components: button, label, container. The container is split into two, window and panel. Window is divided into two parts, frame, dialog. Panel is divided into applet, checkbox, list. These are the components of AWT. Components. Component class is the parent class to all the other classes from which various GUI elements are realized. A display of a graphic object on the screen. It also handles the various keyboard and mouse events of the GUI application. Container. The container object contains the other AWT components. It manages layout and placement of various AWT components within the container. It provides very important method to add or remove the components from the applet or from any other panel. It is a subclass of container and it is the superclass of applet. It represents a window space on the application output it's displayed. It's just like a normal window having no border, title bar, menu bar, etc. A panel is used for displaying multiple windows in a single window, and a panel may have any layout. Window. The window is the layout of window. It's also subclass of container, and the window class create a top level window. These are not directly created for this subclass of window name. Frame is used and dialog are used. This is used for displaying subwindow from a main. Frame class is also a subclass of window. It's a special type of window which has a title bar, menu bar and border. The window class and frame class allow to create pop-up menus. It supports common window related events such as close, open, active, deactive, etc. See the example program for frame. First, you are going to create import statement. Here only creating the GUI application. The next one, class declaration. Here class name frame that extend the frame class. The next one, main method. Here entry point of the program. Then next one, creating the frame object creation. Here only title of the frame. Then setting frame size. The next one, setting frame visibility. This is the output. Here create a simple frame using AWT, set a title size and make it visible. The frame display on the screen. This is the output. Canvas. A canvas represents the area of a component, whether the parent application can draw more components and can receive user inputs like touch, tab or text input. As a canvas is not a window in which itself, it's only when it's added to a frame or a. This is the example. First statement is import statement. The next one main class. Then create the frame. Adding a new of the my canvas. Set the size of pixels. Make a frame visible. Main method. Then class extend the canvas. My canvas. Then next one paint method. See, this is the output of canvas. Next, button. The button is one of the most used components in AWT. It is a component primarily for interaction with the user, and the user can click on a button to achieve an action with it. See the example. Import statement, class statement, then main method, creating the frame, then again create the button, then set the bounds of button, then adding set size, set layout method, then set visible. This is the output of button. Next one is label. Label is a component used for placing text in a container and is the easiest component to use. As a label usually shows only a static string. It does not support any way to allow interaction with the. See the example. Import statement, class label, main method, creating the frame, then label, assign L1, L2, L1 new label, first label, then set bounds, and second label, set bounds, then adding the label value, set the size, set layout, then set visible. So this is the output of label. The next one is checkboxes. Checkboxes are components that are used to allow user to select data from a specific set of options only. When a checkbox is checked, we say that is state is turned on, otherwise it is termed as turned on. See the example. Import statement, class statement, then creating the frame, then checkbox statement, first checkbox, new checkbox JavaScript, then set the bounds, second statement, new checkbox to Java true, then set the bound, then add this checkbox list, then size, set the layout, set visible in main class. This is the output of checkbox. First one JavaScript, next one Java. Here Java only set the true value, so it tick mark in the Java. Menu bar and menus. A menu comes with a pull down list of menu items from which user can select one at a time. When a lot of options in different categories by user, menus are basic choice as they take less space on the frame. A click on the menu item generates action event and it's handled by the action listener. This is the example program for menus. Import statement, class statement. See the menu example. What are all the menus we need? Set the frame, then menu bar, new menu bar, then new menu. Its submenu we need menu item, that is file, edit, format, view and help. Then submenu adding the values, then set menu bar, set size, set layout and set visibility. This is then main class and new menu example. See the output of menu. Title is menu and menu item. Menu Under the submenu having File, Edit, Format, Tools. In Tools having submenus View and Help. I gave 2 questions. Put answer in comment box.